everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got another review going on of a tool that we got that we're all going to check out together over here, so that's going to be exciting and cool. All right, if you saw, we're working on a project together. We are dropping a sump pump down lower than what it is, and we ran into some bluestone, so I need some extra equipment to be able to remove the bluestone. And that's what's going on. I had some other ideas, but the customer service, they didn't answer me for the other ideas. The customer service didn't answer me for the other ideas that I had, so it is what it is, whatever. So we got a new blade, but I don't know if we're going to get a chance to test this out. I just ordered this because it was on sale, and I needed it in order to get the shipping today, so I can get this job done and working as, you know, as finished. So I can get the job done and get it completed, you know, pretty much so we can finish up here. All right, so I decided to go with the Bosch chisel set. This is the set that I got. This is an SDS-MAX. And yeah, that's pretty much what's on it. Now, they had the 18-inch. This is the 16-inch, but the 18-inch was like 3-day delivery, and I wasn't going to be able to have it, and you know, I wasn't able to get it in time of finishing this project or whatever the case may be. So that didn't work. That's cool. You just screw it out, huh? I know why they do it, so you can fit different sizes in there, but that's so cool. All right, so these are really greasy and oily, so that's kind of cool. All right, guys. So these are so I went with the Bosch set. Okay, the SDS-MAX chisel set. I went with this. It comes with a bull nose, and then it comes with a 1-inch flat. Okay, I just went with these because, like I told you, I could get these quicker in order to get the job done quicker, so we can move on to the next job because we have a couple other jobs that we're going to be finishing up here together. This is supposed to have I don't know, there's like an extra piece of metal here that they weld on. It's supposed to help with impact, and it's supposed to help these last longer. I don't know if it works, but it is patent pending, like they say, or whatever. And that's kind of it, and that's kind of what's going on. So these are the size of them, okay? I like to put the measuring instruments for everybody so you guys can scale everything. So it is exactly 16 inches, and yes, this is exactly, 1 inch. And that's kind of what's up and what you can, think the thickness is going to be like, okay? And then this is the tip of this, so you guys can see that tip right there. Okay, and yes, this is, same thing. It's only 16 inches, but that's how big the tip is, okay? So we're going to do a small review on this. I'm probably not going to use maybe I'll use the bull nose. I don't know. We'll do a small review. We'll see what's up. Chop up some bluestone because I got to kick some butt. These probably work great on concrete, but we're not going to make it easy for this and give it concrete. We're going to give it bluestone, and hopefully these don't get all messed up and burned out because the bluestone is very aggressive with we're trying to break up stuff. All right, so let's weigh these out because I like to put numbers on for you guys. Okay, we got 724 grams is how much we have weighted on here. Pick it off. Yep, 724 grams. Like to give that. So that's for the bull nose. Okay, and like I said, I like to put the numbers on, guys, so this way when you check out my other videos and see what's going on and check all the other reviews or whatever, you can at least have some numbers and be able to compare it to that. Because the thing is, I don't buy like 6 different tools to damage and to be able to review. I just, I don't see that value, at least right now. I don't see the value yet to do that. So that's the reason why, and separately in videos, if I do this, then at least you can check out the other videos because I bought other chisels and stuff like that, and be able to compare them to the weight and see what's going on here. All right, so this one's 771 grams is what we got for the flat 1-inch chisel. Okay, all right, so let's go to the job. Let's kick some butt. Let's try to hammer away and see what this can do, and we'll see the outcome of what they look like after we hammer that bluestone.